Hello guys, I want to show you how to make Rico dancing animation kinds of videos with your smartphone, and I'll be using Flipaclip app for this tutorial. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it so that you will get our notification once I upload a new video like this very one. And if you have already subscribed to this channel, please like this video so that I'll continue creating more animation tutorial videos for you. So without further ado, let's dive into the main purpose of creating this video. So I will click on that plus icon there to create a new project. So I will name my project, I'll call it dancing animation. Okay, then now we are going to import our background. So click over there to add a background. So I've already designed a background. Okay, so I'll import it. So click on the canvas size, set it to YouTube 1080p. Now click on create project. Now we have already imported our project, so we are going to import our character. Okay, so there will not be any need for us to draw any character because I've already designed the character we'll be using for this project. There is an app on my phone that allows me to easily design any character of my choice before I use them for animation. So if you want to learn how to design any kind of character for animation, I recommend you join my animation class on Telegram, where I will teach you step-by-step process on how to design any kind of character for animation. So click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel in order to gain access to my animation class, where you will learn how to create any kind of character. So moving on, I'm going to add the next frame where our character will start dancing. So click on that plus icon, then click on that three dot to add your next character image. So you see the way our character position his leg. Then this next frame, now there is a kind of squashing, so we apply squash and stretch to this second image, so enable or make our character look as if he's dancing. So for dancing, you need to concentrate more on changing the leg position. Okay, so if you want to learn how to make animation move on your smartphone, I recommend you join my animation class, where I teach my students how to animate and make animation move to your character with your smartphone. So it is also available on my Telegram channel. Okay, so make sure you click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel and gain access to my animation class. Okay, so we added the third image. We are still focusing on the leg, but anything you are doing now, make sure that the leg stand in a neutral position. Just change how the leg is being moved from the left to the right. Understand? So you change the movement of your character leg from left to right, but make sure that the foot is at a constant position. You can observe that the foot is at one place. Okay, so I'm going to add my last frame, which is also the same process where the leg move to the right. So for this kind of dance, you see that the foot stand at one place. We did not change the foot, but the character kind of move from left to right, so that will make the character to look as if it is dancing. So I'm going to add the next frame, and then select that your first frame, click on the lasso tool, then select it and then copy it. Okay, copy that first position and then go to that end frame and then paste it there, so that when they play the animation will look lively. Okay, please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to this channel up till now, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below and also press the bell icon so that you will get our notification whenever I drop a new video on this channel. And if you have already subscribed, please make sure that you like this video so that I will continue creating more animation tutorial videos for you. Okay, and I don't want this video to be too long, so I will fast forward some things. But if you want to learn more, you can reach out to me. I will teach you how to animate privately. So I recommend you join my animation class on Telegram for a well-detailed tutorials. So we are going to continue doing the frame by frame to make the process much faster. So at this point, guys, we have already finished with the animation. So let's play our animation and see how everything is looking. You see? You see? So that is how you do your Rico dancing animation. So the main thing for you to grab in this video is whenever you want to do dancing animation, make the foot to stand in one place, but make the upper part of the leg to move from left to the right. So if you do it now, you'll be able to achieve a smooth animation. Okay, so that is how you create your dancing animation. Remember what I said: make the foot to stand in one place but move the other part of the body, including the waist and and the upper leg. So that is how you do the animation. Okay, so now we have animation class where we go into depth and teach you step-by-step process on how to create cartoon videos either with your smartphone or your laptop. So if you're interested and you want to learn how to create cartoon videos, so join my Telegram channel. Use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel and then contact me on WhatsApp so that I will give you access to the course, to the animation class. All right, so that is all about this video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you're gonna be the first to watch it. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your question. And you can also watch my other videos. I've already created 20 animation tutorial videos on this channel. So click on my playlist to continue watching more of my animation tutorial videos. I will see you next week with a new video.